Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to create a pipe trench corridor in Civil 3D. A pipe trench corridor is useful for determining quantities of excavation material, limits of disturbance, trench safety specification and more. You can open this drawing 908 corridor trench from description link. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box and I will drop you with this drawing. You can note that there is a pipe network with a corresponding alignment, profile view and pipe trench assembly. Also note that there is a profile drawn that corresponds with the inverts of pipe networks. From the Home tab, create design panel, choose corridor. In the name text box, name the corridor pipe trench. Okay. Keep the default values for corridor styles and corridor layers. Then verify that alignment is set to pipe center line and profile is set to bottom of pipe profile. Choose pipe trench as assembly and select the existing ground as a target surface. Verify that the base set baseline and region parameter box is selected. Then click OK to accept the setting in the create corridor dialog box and display the baseline and region parameter dialog box. Then click the set all frequencies button and here change the values for along tangent and curve increments to 3 meter for all of them, and then click OK to accept the setting in frequency to apply assemblies dialog and click OK again to accept the settings in the baseline and region parameter dialog box. You may receive a warning dialog that the corridor definition has been modified. If you do, select the rebuild the corridor option. The corridor will rebuild. Now select the corridor to activate the corridor contextual tab, and here from the corridor contextual tab, modify corridor sections panel, choose section editor, browse to section through the trench. It will open with 4 port view, and here you can select any section to check them here before creating section, and you can make many changes. When you finish viewing the section, dismiss the section editor by closing the cross. Here you can click here to close. You may notice that at the sharp bend in the pipe alignment, the corridor frequency lines cross one another. This is called a bow type, will be discussed later. Hope you like this video. Please stay with us.